so comfortable with you. I feel like I'll always love you.